Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this 8x10 canvas from Walmart. I start by removing the canvas from it and all the staples. I then take Antique Wax by Waverly and brush that on the frame and then use a baby wipe to blend it and spread it out. And then I'm taking 2 of these canvas pads. They are from Dollar Tree. You can use the canvas that comes on it, but I messed it up, so I had to use 2 of these ones. I roll them up and cut them in strips of about 1 inch. One of them I rolled up the long way, the other the short way. So some will be longer and some will be shorter. And then take the longer piece and have it going downward. The other one will be glued going in the opposite direction, but those 2 will meet at the ends of each. And then take another long one and I'm hot gluing it on the top of the shorter one. The first one was underneath, second on the top, third one underneath, and it'll just go this way all the way across, just alternating on top of the shorter canvas and then underneath. Once I have that first row started, it's a little bit easier to get them. I just hot glue it on that first one and then flip over every other one, hot glue the canvas underneath, and then hot glue the top pieces and pull those back over. And continue this process, alternating the first piece on that left side over, under, all the way down. So you have that woven pattern all the way across. Once I have that completed, I trim it up a little so it fits within the frame and doesn't hang over. And then once I'm done, I realize that I like that darker color from the back of the canvas, so I decide to use that as the front. And what I do is I hot glue that to the back of the frame. I start with the top and then flip it over, do a little bit of hot glue on the sides, and then pull it nice and tight. And continue that until I have it completely hot glued to the frame. Next, I'm taking this ornament piece that I got from Walmart and I'm hot gluing some greenery to the top of it, as well as this mesh ribbon I got from Dollar Tree, as well as some buffalo check ribbon. Just making a couple little bows and hot gluing those on top of the greenery. And then the last thing I do is just hot glue that ornament to the center of the canvas. That is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.